Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to update drivers on your Samsung Galaxy Chromebook Go. To do that, you simply have to make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. And if you do, just open the launch menu, scroll down to settings, open the settings menu, then scroll down to About Chrome OS section on the sidebar and select Firmware Updates. And here you can download all the firmware updates for your device's hardware. Besides, also check for updates by clicking right here to make sure that your Chrome OS is also updated to the latest version. The drivers and the Chrome OS updates will be downloaded and installed automatically in case your device detects a new version. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.